before every shoot, I'm stressed, so I don't sleep. I genuinely don't sleep, so. And then in the morning, then I'm just like, oh shit, I should have slept. Every shoot, every song. But at the same time, if I really had to surprise someone, I'd just do a movie. Hi guys, this is Mani Bhanushali and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Dhwani Bhanushali, welcome back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so for having me. It's always fun talking to you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations for Radha. It is creating a rage of sorts.
Have you watched it?
Yes, of course.
How do you like it, sir?
I absolutely love it. The tonality of the song, the tonality of the voice is something that comes naturally to you, and that is something that the fans are loving it.
Thank you, sir. Do you like the video though?
Yeah, I think video is something that is really high class. It's come out really nicely. Congratulations. So tell us, how was the experience of shooting in these shooting and making this song in these COVID times?
So I think we were very careful. We shot this in Alibag, and it's been so when you go to Alibag, your state of mind completely changes. I feel it's such a chill place, and but we were also working like round the clock to like finish shooting the video, and it was fun. At the same time, it was a good chaos. Actually, I was really enjoying every running around that we were doing, and Ravi sir would just be like, the DOP would just be like, "Acha, shoot." So we would keep running from here and there to sort of fit into his shot, and it was a really fun time shooting this song.
How much are your songs a reflection of your state of mind? How personal are they?
I think most of it are really personal, and they're really like fragments of my personality and who I am as a person and what goes on in my life. And Radha is pretty much very close to my heart, and it's something that came from my heart and my mind. I just one fine day went to Abhijit's studio and I was like, dude, just let me write and you lay down the tracks and please work with me on this song. I really wanted to do something different this time. And then he's like, acha, wait, let me do mood lighting. Then you start writing, and then I will lay the tracks down. And then midway through it, I think we really needed Kunal's help in terms of fine-tuning the whole lyrics part of it, and streamlining my ideas on paper, and sort of helping us finding the right words. So that's how it happened. And then Karan made the video, and Ravi sir sort of really made us look good. Karan actually is really fun. He actually understood what I was looking for in terms of the video. He's very collaborative like that, and I really enjoyed working with him. And Rajit did the choreography, and all in all, it was a very fun process, and I really enjoyed working with these people.
So has it ever happened with you that you recorded a song and later you have felt that maybe it was not 100% and you've come back and re-recorded? Has that happened?
I've done that in the past, and with Nayan I've done that. But I think with Radha, we just, I feel like we were writing it and at the same time I was recording it, and if I had recorded it again, I think the emotion would have been lost and the same expression wouldn't have come. So we kept the same dub that I did at Abhijit's place while the whole song was being worked at. All the harmonies and everything was done at the same time. And I think I wouldn't have it any other way. I thought I should go and redub it, but then I was like, what if the same sort of expression and the emotion doesn't come? So then we kept it that way.
How involved are you in terms of the music video? What are your inputs like?
So this time sort of I didn't want a boy in the video. So I was like, this time I just wanted to be about Radhas. And Karan completely like sort of understood that, and he said, we should just have four gopis, and we should have one Radha, and we should do this video like completely like, there has to be no narrative, and we should focus on like a music video in its truest sense. Just let the song say its story, and you just look good and dance well, and I'll make the rest of it amazing for you. And I think he's pretty much done that, and I'm really happy with how everything's turned out.
Has it ever happened with you that you have a shoot for a music video the next day and you're worried that how it's going to pan out, and you're unable to sleep, and then you're worrying about the fact that if you don't get proper sleep, then maybe you won't look good or anything? So have those things ever happened? Because it's a stressful job. Like looking good as well as a stressful job.
Yeah. Before every shoot, I'm stressed, so I don't sleep. I genuinely don't sleep, sir. And then in the morning, then I'm just like, oh shit, I should have slept. Then every shoot, every song. It's an unavoidable circumstance for me. I try. I'm like, acha, calm down, sleep. But I'm a very anxious person. I just end up, not sleeping and worrying too much.
You've been having one hit song after another. Do you think from this perspective that how can I possibly take it to the next level now? What is it that I can possibly do that really throws the ball out of the park and surprises people?
I think I can just sort of keep changing my direction in terms of the kind of songs that I do to surprise people. But because I want to grow in this field, I want to grow in my music, and I want to get better. But at the same time, if I really had to surprise someone, I'd just do a movie. Surprise people.
I think those requests have been growing as well. That when is it that we can possibly have an announcement from Dhwani Bhanushali for turning an actress?
I will never turn an actress completely. I'll always be a pop star, because that's something that I always wanted to do. Even if I do a movie, it won't be that I am someone's heroine and I'm playing. My character has to be given importance, because it has to be about me. I cannot play someone else, because then that's going away from something that I started and I wanted to stick to. I can't have two personalities. I have to have one. I have to be myself.